Hello and welcome to one more video, everyone. I am in, look at this location that I am now. It's one of the postcards here, and I decided to, instead of go to the normal location, which is, I can barely see it here, over here. Yes, I can barely see because of the sun. I decided to come to this spot, which is quite on the top of the quite a long walk from the parking lot up. The hike is not so long, but because it's so steep, it does take some time to get here, and then it it made me really tired, and I took some time to recover, and then drink some water, and then just take my time, find a composition, and I think I found one. And today the weather is promising to be, at least for sunset, it is promising to be quite a beautiful sunset, even though, as you can see, it's quite hazy. But that's what gives the color to in the air, right? These particles that will refract the sunlight, and hopefully then I'm gonna get some colors. But if not, it was the sport of the day. Yeah, so I decided to set up the camera here and then leave everything ready for if or for when the light starts coming up. But from time to time I take some shots of the location, because since the light is going down, it's giving more structure instead of hitting everything. The shadows are giving more like nuance to the landscape and giving more structure to the more shapes, actually, not structure, more shapes to the rocks, instead of when everything's lit from above and it becomes a little bit flat. So from time to time I take a shot and I wait for the light to pass a little bit more, then take another one. Yeah, so I expected that it's gonna be, it's quite warm and a little bit breezy. I don't know if you can hear, but it's still quite hazy. It's been like this for the past few days, and it's not as pretty to look at, but hopefully today's sunrise was very pretty. Even though I had a little bit too much wine yesterday, I decided not to go out, but still peeked through the window to see what I was missing. Should never do that. But anyway, so the camera is set up. I'm just waiting for the colors to show up or not. And if they don't, I still enjoyed the walk, and it's a very nice location. But yeah, let me try to see if I can set something else up. And because I really want to get this shot. It's, as I said, it's my second or third time around this place here, but did not, at least the other days, I could not get what I wanted. So hopefully now I will manage. Right, to the composition and to the photographs. Talk to you soon. So it was not the explosion of colors that I was expecting, but we are getting something in the sky. Very faint tones of red, orange and pink with a sea of blue. So I'm just doing a few shots here and there to try to capture some of the stuff, but not sure if I'm gonna get much. There is a huge, like, look at these clouds that are coming. Hopefully no no rain coming on my direction, even though it's saying on the weather report that it's gonna start raining by the end of this week. So the colors are picking up on this side. Can you see it? Up here. But for now, I'm just doing some shots and hoping for the best. It's gonna be a fun walk down. I will have to walk all of this down over here. No, yeah, behind this thing still, and the wind is picking up a bit. Fun. Good exercise though. But yeah, so there is some faint color popping up. That's quite nice. So hopefully I can blend a little bit those things and come out with one composition, one shot that I enjoy. I didn't try to find as many shots as before, so now hopefully this one comes out good and I bag one home. Otherwise, it was a good experience here, seeing how it looks with all the haze. So, you know, at least you learn something. Let me go back to this and then I talk to you soon, because I really would like to see if I can bag this one and go home happy with what I got. Time for some praying, I guess. Hey, so that was it. Oh, let me adjust this here. Yeah. I saw that behind me the colors were popping up, as I said before. I didn't have a good composition, so I tried just to get this one and some cliffs and so on. Frankly, I'm not very happy with it. I just did it because it was by the end of the shoot and I decided to see if I could get something more with the colors in the sky, because they were popping up so very nicely magenta on the other side where the sun sets. So yeah, this was a good learning experience to see how this location looks like with this amount of haze. Hopefully, when I come here next time, I know more or less what to expect and what to work with and which place to go. This location is very nice. With a wide lens, as I was shooting, I could get a lot of it, and it was exactly what I wanted. Maybe a little bit below to get some of the rock structures on here, and then get a different kind of vibe and different kind of composition. So, but yeah, now I'm gonna get ready to go to tomorrow's shoot, sunrise somewhere, and Still I have some hiking to do on the way down, and it's getting dark soon, so I better hurry, and instead of, because I don't want to be, it's very steep, so I don't want to go into the dark. So anyway, thanks for watching. This was very nice. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what did you think of the photograph. It helps me to know what kind of content you guys want to watch. I have fun doing this, so yeah. Talk to you guys tomorrow, I guess. See you.